exercise is going to be 40 seconds on with only 10 seconds of rest. So the first one that we're going to do today, working a little bit of legs, it's going to be a pistol squat into a reverse lunge, but you're going to make sure that that pistol squat that goes out, you're not going to try to put it on the floor. We're going to work on some balance, sucking that belly button into your spine to get that core. Here we go. Halfway through, you'll switch sides. Rest for 10, and then I'll give you the next exercise. All right, the next one we have is still legs. We're going to be working that outer part of the glutes, you know, because it's fun and girls need it. So we're going to be doing curtsy lunges. So you're going to keep your chest tall, your back straight. Again, sucking that belly button into that spine. You're going to go deep and low behind you. It's more of a slow and controlled motion. The farther back you can go, the more you're going to engage the outer part of that glute. If you want to add a little pulse, you want to speed it up. Shake it out. You'll feel it on the outer part of that glute. Okay, up next we got some jump squats. Old fashioned, you're jumping as high as you can, explode in the air. I'll show you that, and then if you can't and you have some knee issues, I'll show you the other option, but if not, you're right here. You're exploding all the way up. If you can't, you can maybe jump in, jump out, or you're stepping out and stepping back in. But if not, you're just right here, exploding for 40 seconds. Immediately start taking the deep breaths in through your nose, not through your mouth, because you only got 10 seconds in between this one. We're doing each of these rounds 5 times through. Okay, up next is a double movement. We're gonna do a little bit of a low row, and then we're gonna do some rear delt where you're taking your arms all the way out to the side. If you want it easier, you're gonna walk away from the TRX. If you want it harder, you're gonna walk it all the way down. So first you're hitting that low row, elbows are going straight back, and then you're taking it all the way out to the side. But when you're here, you're releasing slow, really engaging that rear delt. Again, sucking that belly button into that spine. It protects that lower back and lights up that core. If you want to do double, you can do 2. You can hit 2 here. Makes it a little bit harder. But you're releasing slow, getting that mind-muscle connection into that rear part of the shoulder and that back. Up next is push-ups. So again, if you want it harder, you're going in towards that TRX. It's gonna put more of your body weight in it. Push-ups, 90 degrees. If you need a little bit more easier, you're walking out less for that body, but still 90 degrees. And then you're pushing as hard as you can to that straight part of the TRX. It's gonna light up that front part of the chest as well as the front part of your shoulder. Then up next, we got a little bit more cardio for you. All right, so you're grabbing the outsides of the straps from the outside, then you're walking it all the way out. You're tucking your hands right into your chest, you're lowering back, and you're going all out, driving your knee into your chest. If you can't, and you're slowing it down, but you're still driving that knee up into that chest, hitting that crunch. But if not, you're right there. Going all out as fast as you can. Then you're gonna rest. You're doing each of these exercises 5 rounds, 40 seconds on, 10 seconds of rest. High intensity interval training using that TRX. Switching it up, giving you something new, because new is fun, shocks the body, shocks the system. Super cool. So, TRX training, I promise it will hold you. Sometimes it feels like it won't, but it will. Like, subscribe, any questions, comments, concerns, whatever, shoot them down in that box and I will answer them.